In an affidavit of assets and liabilities in column number so and so, the petitioner has declared that her own property monthly rent of rupees 1,50,000, and for year the agriculture income is of rupees 10 lakh. Further, she states so and so. Then, my lord,
Yes.
my only, my lord's grievance is the temporary, my lord's interim maintenance that has been fixed, which my lord says
That's 20,000.
yes. And
1,000 rupees. What are you running a beauty parlor?
Nothing doing, my lord. Nothing. Court, I have been saying that I am doing nothing because I am a matriculate. I cannot get any job, nor I am doing any independent.
the respondent, my lord, she admits that she has quite a handsome income.
Where?
My lord, that is what I read
Page,
out.
page.
Para 50, my lord, page 60.
No. Admits where?
My lord, that is her own statement.
Where is that? Yes. Yes,
Quantum-
arrears.
My lord, arrears, my lord, sir. May I just pass this on, my lord? Yeah, serve the copy on the other side, my lord. Of course, they say that there is still an arrear of 1.9 lakh and odd, but then, my lords, I have produced the bank statement itself, which shows that, my lords, all the checks have been encashed.
6,90,000 you paid. All right. Now what's the matter?
My lords,
What is the order?
the order, my lords, is the rejection of an interlocutory application.
Then
Like
go
a month-
before the appellate court.
Please, now, my lords, may I just request my lords,
You have to go before the appellate courts.
lords, there an appeal is filed. An appeal is filed.
Oh, appeal is also rejected.
Yes, my lords. Appeal is, my lords, appeal is pending.
Ah,
In the appeal, my lords, an interlocutory application was filed seeking stay of the order passed by the trial court. That application came to be rejected.
Then how 482?
My lords, that is the only remedy that I have. my lords.
Okay.
If my
revision
lords
court.
were to see
Hmm.
the observation, my lords, I'll just draw my lord's kind attention to page 60, my lords, running page 60.
Hmm.
My lords has been, para
Yes.
50. My lords have.
Yes.
There are some certain numbers there, my lords, if my lords were to see, but in
Night
her,
beauty care. Who's running it?
I'm sorry,
Who's running the beauty parlor?
that is the respondent. That
Okay.
apart, if
Hmm.
my lords were to see her monthly income,
Hmm.
para 50, my lords would speak of it. It starts with a sentence, but in her affidavit of assets and liabilities, my lords has it. Para 50 minutes. She says, but in this is the observation of the honorable court. But in an affidavit of assets and liabilities in column number so and so, the petitioner has declared that her own property monthly rent of rupees 1,50,000, and for year the agriculture income is of rupees 10 lakh. Further, she states so and so. Then, my lords, if my lords would juxtapose this, my lords, to the
You are an advocate.
my lords, my client is a practicing lawyer.
Yes.
My lords, if my lords were to see the operative portion, which is at page 66,
Hmm.
my lords has.
Yes.
My lords, the quantum now fixed, my lords, is 20,000 per month,
Hmm.
plus, my lords, a one-time compensation of 10 lakhs for the
Hmm.
respondent herself.
Hmm.
And my
You
lords,
have two daughters.
there are two daughters.
Yes, sir.
That, of course, my responsibility towards the daughter, my lords, is
Hmm.
unflinching.
Hmm.
I can, my lords, recuse from that.
Yes.
My only, my lords, grievance is the temporary, my lords, interim maintenance that has been fixed, which, my lords, is,
That's 20,000.
yes.
Hmm.
And, my lords, if my one more aspect, my lords, they are now residing,
What age of the children?
my lords, they will attain majority, my lords, in 2 years. They are 16 and 17.
Both of them are minors.
12 and 14.
12 and, I stand corrected, 12 and,
It's 12 and 14.
please.
Yes, sir.
My lords, that is all that I have to submit. Beyond
Wife
this,
is earning.
I'm sorry,
Wife is earning, no problem.
he's earning. She's earning.
20,000 to the children.
Lords,
Is not earning. She's only a matriculate, not earning anywhere. She's a,
What is that affidavit you have filed then?
my lord,
What is your affidavit of assets and liabilities before the court?
before, no, this is under domestic violence, not
True,
before.
sir. Assets and liabilities ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಏನ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Which is the 60,000 rupees? What are you running a
Nothing.
beauty parlor?
Nothing doing, my lord. Nothing. Court, I have been saying that I am doing nothing because I am a matriculate. I cannot get any job, nor I am doing any independent.
what I read out.
Kindly
the
see,
You are an
extract of-
advocate.
the order passed.
He's a lawyer.
The trial court, my lord, has passed an order that he was due 3,80,000, 8,000 as on the date 11/1/2023.
Yes.
And he gives a statement stating that he had paid something. Those statements, even after this order also, he has paid only 10,000 rupees before the trial court. every month we have to go before the trial court to receive 10,000, which he has not paid regularly. And he is due in turn 1,83,000 as on date,
As on today.
as on today. And last time my lord said he should pay at least at the rate at which it was fixed as an interim measure, that is 10,000, not at 20,000. Even that he is not paying and is due 1,83,000 according to that
Yes, sir.
rate.
My lords,
And every
it
time
is-
he says he is going to settle, my lord could kindly see my objection statement. in
ಈಗ
which, how many revisions?
Yes, our complete.
my lords, it is in the face of this submission where my lords directed me to produce the records of payment, which I have now done. My lords, if at all they contend that, my lord, there are arrears in that as well. My lords, let them file an affidavit to that effect. My learned friend has been stating this orally. Nothing is put down in writing.
Sir, I have filed my counter with all details and also the orders passed.
Have you
by
seen this?
I've served a copy on them.
this honorable court kindly see, my lord, my objection statement.
Yes.
It is not just making a statement before the court. How many revisions, how many criminal petitions he has filed, and all of them are dismissed, I may say with great respect. I have produced those orders.
That is
And this
something which
court
is on
has
record.
also imposed cost, even that cost is also not paid.
ಈಗ you're paying arrears or not?
My lords, I have made a statement, my lords, on oath. I have placed the records, my lords, at least the 10,000, my lords, I would submit, my lords, that,
No, no.
There are no arrears in that.
No ground for interference at all, according.
my lords, may I just submit this?
Yes, sir. Come on, merits. Yes.
So on merits, my lords, my only submission is,
Yes.
my lords, the respondent, my lords, she admits that she has quite a handsome income.
Where?
My lords, that is what I read
Page,
out.
page.
Para 50, my lords, page 60.
No, no. Admits where?
My lords, that is her own statement.
Where is
Her
that statement?
My lords, she files, may I just read this? my
Where
lords?
is the statement filed by her?
My lords, that is, of course, I'll produce that. My lords. It is an extract, my lords, which has been.
All
read
right,
out.
you produce the statement.
I'll do that. I'll do that. She has filed a statement of assets and liabilities where she says, my lords,
Also, I'll have to impose costs and dismiss it.
my lords, I'll,
Like every other petition that is dismissed.
my lords, I cannot deny the fact that there are multiple proceedings. My lords, I have a list of 18 cases which the respondent has filed against me, including complaints before the Bar Council. My lords, it was in light of this, my lords, multiple litigation. On the last occasion, I had made a submission that we'll make an attempt, my lords, to bring the parties to a negotiating table. My client is here, my lords, in the court. My lords, my intention is not to protract the proceeding. He still, my lords, has the intentions of taking care of his daughter. Of course, there is too much of bad blood between the spouses. That is beyond repair.
So it's beyond settlement now.
It is beyond settlement. My lords, so far as the spouses are concerned. My lords, that's what I've learned from my learned friend today. But so far as the daughters are
So
concerned, my
let you
lords,
produce, where is her statement that she has
Very well.
income of
I'll produce that.
1,50,000?
I'll produce that.
My
Or
lord's
I'll produce
attention to the order of the trial court. May request the court order. And he files a petition for divorce when wife is with him. And now that is dismissed. I have produced that also before the court and along with my objection statement.
She resides, my lords, in the house, which was earlier
You
owned by.
produce all the statements.
Please, ma'am.
You produce all
Very
the
well.
statements where she has made that she
Very
has
well.
income.
Very well. Very well.